What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be seeing how we can go and sell our dogs coin and Telegram wallet. Now to do this, the process is pretty simple. Just make sure to follow all the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now first step is go and open Telegram wallet and select dogs. Now once we're here, we'll go and see two methods that we can go and see here. Now, the first one is we can go and select exchange. In exchange method, we can simply exchange it to another coin like ton, and we can further go and sell it. Now the second method is simply by going into the P2P market and selling our dogs coin directly into another currency. Now personally for me the second method is better because it gives you better price. Now to exchange the coin, the process is pretty simple. Select dogs here and select on in the bottom one, and we'll just hit the value of amount of dogs we want to sell. We want to convert the tone, and we can further go and proceed it. Now once we're done with the exchange, the second method is we can go in our Telegram wallet. We can go and open P2P market. Now here select P2P market. I'll just show you a sample here, and we can go and we can create our ad as well, but we will just go directly to sell. Now here you can see the amount of euros you will receive per dogs. Now you can go select any of it, and you can go and type in the amount of dogs you want to sell, add in payment method, and once the order is confirmed, you can go and further convert it. Now that's all the process you need to know. I hope you like the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.